Oh my, where do I start? Maybe just by saying Hot Tomato Italian Restaurant in Myrtle Beach has specials for Restaurant Week all month long. Stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? We're at Hot Tomato in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you like seeing things around Myrtle Beach, then make sure you're subscribed to this channel for the latest videos so you can keep beaching. If you're looking for an Italian spot to stop that hunger, then Hot Tomato in Myrtle Beach just might be your new place. Hot Tomato is located at 406 21st Avenue North in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, right in between Highway 17 and Ocean Boulevard. If it seems busy around this area, don't worry. They have free municipal parking just past Hot Tomato and free valet parking across the street behind Soho. Their new hours, possibly for the season, is 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Lunch is served from 12 p.m. till 4, which is why we came. Also, we wanted to check out their specials for Restaurant Week. Restaurant Week is slated for January the 13th through the 23rd. But Hot Tomato is having their specials run all month long. So if you're around Myrtle Beach anytime during the month of January, you can come get delicious food at a much cheaper price. You can treat yourself to a 3-course lunch for $18 per person or 4-course dinner for $29 per person. While we were waiting, we noticed their drink of the month, the Tequila Twilight, posted on the large board over one side of the bar. And with their full bar taking up one complete side of the wall, we knew we had to try one. Watch this guy in action. There it is, the Tequila Twilight. But if there's anything else you want, they have an unbelievable large selection of drink menus. Not to mention a cool cappuccino machine. Cheers. Now, on to the food. For lunch, we started with the bruschetta and Capri salad with balsamic reduction for appetizers. Then we migrated to the eggplant parmesan and the chicken piccata for our entrees. And finished up the meal with a slice of cheesecake and tiramisu for our desserts. 9 out of 10 reviews from last month alone gave this place 5 stars, and we do too. And it ranks 4.7 out of 5 based on the opinion of 362 people, and that's hard to do here in Myrtle Beach. When their Restaurant Week specials aren't going on, you can still come by and find daily specials if you're craving authentic Italian cuisine and New York style brick oven pizza. They are under new ownership and are working hard to improve your dining experience. So with that, you can enjoy all-day drink specials with $7 appetizers. as well as their chefs' delicious lunch and dinner specials. Happy hour is from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram for the latest promotions and live entertainment. They offer dine-in, takeout, and DoorDash, as well as reservations, outdoor seating, and they are wheelchair accessible. So when you're in Myrtle Beach, stop by Hot Tomato for authentic Italian food. It's sure to satisfy your hunger, so you can keep beaching.